DIY Skin Exfoliation. How to exfoliate your skin at home. Please remember that like and subscribe may look simple for you, but for us it's very valuable. So, thank you so much for your support. Welcome to our DIY skin exfoliation tutorial. Exfoliating your skin at home is a great way to keep it looking fresh and rejuvenated. First, start by choosing the right exfoliant for your skin type. You can use a physical exfoliant like a scrub with granules, or a chemical exfoliant like a product with AHAs or BHAs. Next, gently cleanse your face to remove any dirt or makeup. Make sure your skin is damp before applying the exfoliant. Apply a small amount of the exfoliant to your fingertips and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Be sure to avoid the delicate eye area. Rinse off the exfoliant with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Finish off with your favorite moisturizer to hydrate and protect your skin. Repeat this process 2 times a week to maintain smooth and glowing skin. Remember, over-exfoliating can irritate your skin, so listen to your skin's needs. Remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Leave a comment below with your favorite natural tips, and let's build a community of empowered individuals taking charge of their health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.